Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! Okay? So, I have to do this. Hindi ako mapagpigil talaga. Ilang araw ko na itong pinagpaplanuhan gawin kaso ano lang ako, busy. No? Busy. Okay, so, according kay YouTube, no? If YouTube is watching, we should abide by the World Health Organization. Anything that goes against WHO, medical misinformation yon. Okay? So, kaya ako nabigyan ng strike. Pero this time, wala akong sasabihin YouTube babasahin ko lang yung comments sa site ng World Health Organization. Yan. FB page ng WHO. So, without further ado, tara. Basahin na. Ewan ko, hindi ako mapagpigil natatawa ako Kasi, look at the comments. They are hilarious. Okay, pwede kaya mag-zoom first time? Hindi pwede ako mag-zoom. Okay, so ito po yung yung World Health Organization, WHO. Ang pitagang WHO, ito
resources put in the community.
Stigma, discrimination.
Yun daw tungkol sa AIDS, no? Pinopromote nila na dati daw ngayon may discrimination sa AIDS. Pero ngayon, alam niyo ba tumaas yung mga nagpa-positive sa AIDS? Di ko alam kung bakit. Bakit kaya? Tapos pambabata. Anyway, sige, tingnan natin. May nag-comment. Meron tayong isang ito. Okay? COVID-19 is not. Tandaan nyo sabi ng WHO, it's not over. It's still circulating. Okay? Huwag kayo magpakakampante. Kailangan may balikan akong comment dun sa separate video na lang yun, guys. Gagawin ko rin ng comment review yung pinalabas ng GMA7 regarding kumakalat na naman daw ng pneumonia. Nakakatawa yung mga kababayan doon. Talaga hindi ako nakatiis. Pinagsasagot ko yung mga comments sila. No? Mamaya, nakakatawa yung abangan nyo. So, dito muna tayo. Nag-post ang WHO. YouTube. COVID-19 is not over, still circulating. Get vaccinated. Tandaan nyo yan. Sabi ng YouTube kasi sundin natin ang WHO. Okay, get vaccinated. For adults who never received COVID-19 vaccine, at least one dose is recommended. Wow! Ito ang gusto ko malaman. So, dun sa mga sampalataya sa tuklam, mga sampalataya sa bakulam, no? Bakit pagka hindi ka vaccinated, okay lang na isa? Okay lang daw, alam naman, kontrahin nyo yan. Pag kinontra nyo yan, medical misinformation kayo. Diba? Sabi, hello YouTube, friends tayo. yan, diba? Bakit pagka hindi ka vaccinated, wala kang bakulam, ever since na nanakot sila, bakit okay lang pag isa? Pero pag ikaw, vaccinated ka, sabi, dapat may clip ako nila Bergeri, nila Duque, wag pa daw tayo magpakakampante, magpa-betchin pa rin tayo every 6 months, ganyan. Tapos, minimum health safety protocols pa rin. Sa Pilipinas ko lang narinig yan. Minimum health safety protocols. By the way, nasa US ako, no? So, kitang-kita ko yung katangahan na umiikot sa Pilipinas. Kitang-kita. If you're somebody outside looking in, makikita mo talaga, uy, ano to mayroon sa mga to? Ba't nawala na ng common sense? No? Okay, so ito nga ito, dun sa mga sa pusher ng bakulam, pakisagot nga to, ito, it's a valid question, bakit yung mga walang betchin, never nagpa-betchin, never nagpatakot, never na coerced, okay, never na coerced, kahit na, nga yun, inano na kami, sinegregate, inalipusta, iba nga, inaaway no? Ako nga, mini-message pa ako, ang kapal ng kaklase ko nurse sa Canada, no? Akala niya sobrang galing na siya, talagang mini-message niya pa ako. Iba yung in-invade mo sa wall, meron pa mga ganun, mga klase ko rin, mga nasa California. no? Kaklasiko, kumusta? FEU, nursing, batch 96. Yan, mga klasiko mga nurses sa California, akala mo gagaling, no? In-unfollow na ako, in-unfriend. No? Ito, pakisagot nga to. For adults who never received a COVID-19 vaccine, at least one dose is recommended. Bakit? Bakit yung mga double doses na, kumpleto na dati noong 2021, 2022, required every 6 months. Tapos pag may bagong strain, kailangan magpa-betchin uli. Bakit? Ba't kami, na never kami na betchinated, na loko, at least daw one. Bakit? Yan ang ba't niyo masagot yan, di ba? Bakit ganun? Okay. Eto, basahin lang natin yung mga comments kasi nakakatawa talaga yung mga comments. Ay, nako, sayang, hindi ko yata mazo-zoom to. Mas maganda pala kung Ay, nako. Lagay natin yung all comments. Yan. Natin. Ka-friendster natin to. Okay. So, sayang hindi ako zoom. Hindi ako makapag-zoom. Palakihin ko na lang to pala. Yan. Ay, sorry. Yan. Okay, mga ka-friendster natin, nagko-comment pala dito. Morpheus, my natural immunity has been proven to actually be effective against VID-19. You can keep your sudden death formula. Thanks. Vic Rapanan, please stop fooling people. Save a life. Tingnan natin yung nag-reply sa kanya. Yeah, you're right. Gladys Benyan, still at the same tactics. This WHO is shameless. Elena, ka-friendster natin. Elena, Rides. We're good. Thanks so much, jokers. Okay. John Robert G. Taylor. Okay. Wheel of vaccine misfortune. Neuropathy, seizure, death, cancer, eczema, strokes, arthritis, diabetes, infertility, autoimmunity, learning disability, Alzheimer's, heart attack, SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome, paralysis. Yan, may kilala ako dyan. 2. Kaibigan ko pa yan. Guillain-Barré, GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome yan. Encephalopathy, encephalomyelitis. Grabe. Itis, sabihin na pamamaga. Transverse myelitis, namamaga. Autism, multiple sclerosis. Okay, nako, on alert versus may bago na naman. DOH on alert against walking pneumonia. Okay, sige, yan, separate topic natin yung walking pneumonia. BS na yan. Renelyn Punes, mga halang kaluluwa. Glenn Rose, you can actually Google any random illness and VID-19 vaccine side effects, and most often than not, a link or connection would appear in their studies, but of course, the studies always say it's rare. Okay? Try hypothyroidism, GBS, anemia. Abolish WH. Once and for all. You lied. Many people died. Ay, mga Pilipino na to Maganda yan Saan na ba yun? Maganda yung, kasi ilang araw na to nagsisirculate Meron dito. Ito. Ayan Vicky Griffiths. I'm just here for the comments. Absolutely over the moon to see the masses awake. At last, those of us who said no along and stood firm have never had a single regret, and that is a fact. Yan. No? Tatagalogin ko pa ba yun? Maraming comments Chris Emmett, it's about time they packed it in one day. They will pay for what they have done, including everybody that's had anything at all to do with this. Christina Sky Smith, these comments are refreshing. Glad to see people have woken up. Ang tanong sa Pilipinas ba, nagising na ba mga Pilipino? Kanina may nabasa ko yung post ni Doc Ron, no? Sabi niya, hindi na daw siya magko-comment about bakula. I don't know. It's just sad na the fight is still here. And then, actually, mas aggressive nga sila eh. And we are actually waiting for their next move. By next move, meaning baka mas ano sila, mas kakapalan nila yung mukha nila. So, I don't know. It's just sad na mababawasan yung mga nanggigising. And sabi ng kaibigan naman natin si Charlie, no? Sabi, sino pa gigisingin natin dyan? Wala na. Parang ano yan philosophical kasi oo nga naman, paano mo pa pagigisingin yung yung na-vaccinated ano pa magagawin? Separate topic na lang talaga. Naggawa na ako dati ng video regarding ang mga detox na yan I don't know. So hindi ko alam kung paano magde-detox. Dati gumawa na ako ng video, sabi ko walang detox. Let's just hope and pray, no? Pero mahirap kasing mag-suggest. Pero nagbabase ako dun sa mga experiences nung mga iba na gumaling daw, gumanda parang daw. Okay, sige. Mga ano lang 'yan. Mga ibig sabihin experiences nila. Kasi hindi naman talaga tayo scientist, hindi naman tayo makapag-test sa lab. And then yung mga, alam naman natin, yung mga scientists at saka yung mga doktor, mga nagte-test sa lab, ginagamit nila yun for their purpose, no? Para mapaganda yung result, sila, dinodoktor nila. Doktor na nga, nando-doktor pa. Anyway, balik tayo sa mga comments, no? Hindi ako makabasa dito sa phone ko. Erin Burke-Vance, yan. Thank God people have seen through you before you have more blood on your hands. Hope every one of you are held accountable. 1.1 thousand likes. Lisa Goldsworthy, so great to see that people are using their brains and aren't falling for the lies. Well, most on here anyways. Rob Greenhill, avoided having it and feel great. 1.1 thousand likes. This organization, along with WEF and UN, are the biggest threat to humanity at the moment. Wake up, by Brian Boisvert. This organization has been tried for crimes against humanity. 2,000 likes. Basa pa tayo. Hindi ko makita. Yan, usog lang ako konti. Nakakatawa kasi mas madami dito ang gising, no? Mas marami dito ang gising. Almost 4 years into it, are there really people out there getting their first at this point? I think we're all over by this now. Yeah. I don't know kung anong side to si Jessica J. Nunez, but yeah, 4 years, almost 4 years na kasi. It's either you get it or you don't get it. Yun lang yun Why wait now, 2023, saka ka mag first shot, di ba? Parang yung mga kamag-anak ko sa Pilipinas, mga kapatid ko, no? Naghintay pa ng 2022 saka nagpa-shot. So, bakit pa nakaligtas na kayo ng 2021, but then kukontrahin ko wala na Tama din si kasamang Charlie kasi nung nabaltaan ko, nagpost sila na nung 2022 na nagpabakulam sila. Ano pa sasabihin ko? Kahit sabihin ko, di ba? Kahit sabihin ko na, laso niya, wala na, na-inject na Anong gagawin ko? Di ba? Wala na, mag-aaway lang kayo or tatakutin mo lang sila. Ano magagawa? Wala na, there's nothing to say. Pagka, ang lang dyan, siguro, kaya ako, continue pa rin ako nang gigising kasi, there's still hope for humanity. Dito nyo makikita sa comments ng WHO mismo. No? Na although yung iba, may mga kaiba rito nabasa ko a few days ago na nagpabakulam sila, vaccinated sila, and then they realize na mali yung ginawa nila. No? And sabi nila, hindi na sila magpapa-booster. I still believe na may halong may halong placebo. May halong placebo yan. Kung wala kayong naramdaman, di kayo nagkasakit, then you just won the lottery. No? Hindi nyo kailangan ng pera. No? Mas mayaman pa kayo doon sa mga mayayaman. Magaganda trabaho, magagandang karir. Pero vaccinated at saka may 2-3 boosters. Kasi anytime, I don't think I'll ever go for the inoculation again. Oh, look, ito yung maganda example. Francis Gimogi. Ano to? Itim. No? I don't think I'll ever go for the inoculation again. I've had an intermittent headache from the moment I got the first one. I'm in regrets. See? Guys, no? Tapos 213 replies. Jonathan Montgomery never had one, but I cannot tell you the emotional toll these mandates had on me and my family. We could have lost everything because we stood our ground. We were blessed to be spared from major consequences from our decision, but the emotional roller coaster was enough to give someone a nervous breakdown. In New York, New Jersey, ang daming doktor, nurses na nawalan ng trabaho, nag-resign, and sa Armed Forces ng US, 80,000 ang nag-quit because of the mandate. Ano yun? Pinilit sila, ni-required sila mag-ganito, nag-quit na lang sila. So, ano sila? Dishonorable discharge sila, no? Wala silang benefits, wala. May record pa sila, no? Palagi ko nakikita yan Have you served honorably? Have you been discharged? Ganyan. Pagka bumibili ako ng barel, kasama yun sa background check I don't know. No? So, yun nga, no? 80,000 na US soldiers nang nag-quit. They stood their ground. They stood by their principles and hindi sila nagpaganito. Ngayon, ano ginagawa ng US? Sinusuyo sila, bumalik daw. Wala na daw mandate. Hanapin nyo kay Benny Johnson. Shinare ko yun sa isa nating kaibigan dito kay Luis na taga California. Sabi ko, wala na daw mandate ang US Army. Wala na daw, sinusuyo, hindi na daw required. Dati pinagtatalunan namin ang anak ko yung middle child ko ngayon, si JM, nag-firefighter siya, sabi ko, wag ka magpapaganyan. Sabi niya, paano daw siya mag-a-apply ng trabaho? Required daw sa ngayon, tinanggal nila. Sabi ko, guys, yun yung game plan ko dati. Nung pinupush nila yan, ang game plan ko is just to wait. Kasi it's not science, it's political. It's political. Ano ibig sabihin? Pag dineclare ng gobyerno na ganito, susundin nyo. Pero it goes against, hindi siya scientific. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi siya scientific kasi hindi naman pala yan tungkol sa germs Pag sinabi ng namumuno, nako po, yun ang susundin, di ba? So, hindi yan tungkol science. Ano pa? Jessica Jones, my immune system does a much better job. Thank goodness to Mother Nature, I was born with one. Kawawa lang yung mga nagpabetsin. Yung iba, halos sira na yata yung immune system Paano ko nasabi? Ang dalas sila magkasakit. Ang dami kong kakilala, 2 beses nag-positive sa bid ko. Paano nangyari yun? Nag-positive sa bid ko 2 beses, kamag-anak ko pa. May betsin. Ako never ako nagkasakit ng ganyan. Never ako nag-positive sa ganyan. Grabe. So, sira na immune system. Ito, Mary Wang Min Trang. Vietnamese to. So far, me and my husband have been sick in the last 2.5 years, even without a single shot. Unlike all others around us with 3 to 4 shots, they keep having new allergies and illnesses. Pansin nyo ba yun, guys? Hindi ko kailangan magbigay sa inyo ng data. Tanungin nyo na lang sarili nyo, yung mga kamag-anak nyo, mga kakilala nyo, ka-FB nyo. Yung iba dyan, tinatago pa hindi nila pinopost sa nila pero nagkakasakit sila or nagkasakit na sila multiple times compared sa mga walang ganito. No? Yun na talaga yung evidence dyan Hindi mo na kailangan na, isi-search ko sa Google, ito, bibigyan kita ng link. Hindi. Tanungin nyo na lang. Check nyo yung yung mga yung mga wall nyo. Kung dumadaan sa wall nyo yung mga kandila dahil may mga namatay. Or iba naman, nagkasakit. Yung iba kong kaibigan or kakilala, kakilala na lang. Dati kaibigan, kakilala na lang ngayon. Nagkasakit sila right after ganito and hindi nila yung pinost, hindi nila pinagsabi. Bakit? Kasi pinoprotektahan nila yung pride nila na hindi sila nagkamali. Tama sila. Okay, Krista Arsino, you didn't K enough, folks. The first few rounds around, this stops when we say it stops. So, nung unang round daw, marami na namatay. Ayaw pa rin tumigil ng WHO. Bernadette Magyar, who you will pay for the price for what you did to the people. You cannot fool us anymore. Jake Hildebrandt, I'll never regret not getting the shot. Nicole Brooks Cano, bid ko change my mind on all backs. Never again will get one. Yeah, medyo nakakatakot talaga, no? Ulitin ko yung yung mandate ng YouTube, no? Dapat sundin natin yung WHO, no? If you go against WHO, medical misinformation yan. Pero ako, last time, tinanong ko na miss ko, pagpapacheck up ka na pala sa doktor sa PCP mo, primary care physician. Ba't di ka pa magpa-flu shot? Sabi ko, lalo ngayon pa ako magpapa-flu shot, hindi nga mapagkatiwalaan yung mga yan. Nag-stop ako magpa-flu shot, 4 years ago. Bago pa magkaroon ng bid ko, nag-stop na ako magpa-flu shot. Why? Because, alam niyo naman, doon sa nakakilala sa akin, prepper ako. And then kumakalat sa prepping community at that time. I think 2017, 2018. No? Pag maglalabas, surprisingly, yung mga conspiracy theories, no? Totoo, yung mga pinagsasabi nila. Alam niyo ba, 2018, mga ganon, basta mga 2018, nabasa ko sa mga prepping group dito sa US, na pagka magpapakalat sila ng Depop, ilalagay nila sa box. Kinilabutan tuloy. Paano nangyari yun? Paano nalaman? No? 2018, kaya nag-stop ako magpa-flu shot. Kasi nga naman, pagka nagpa-shot ka, hindi mo naman tinitingnan kung ano laman nun O, di ba? Pipila ka lang, tapos paperma ka, yan na yun. Sabi, okay ka na. And yet, after a few days, magkakasakit ka. So, sasabihin sa'yo, kasi yung flu shot, ano lang yan, tsamba lang yan, ano lang yung strain na may pinakamadami, pero hindi lahat 100% immune ka. Okay, so, yun nga. Patandaan, hindi na-observe ko sa mga nagpapa-flu shots, after a few days, may flu. No? I don't know. Graham Dawson, side effects aren't worth it. Ito, Katie Keith. Ito mga ganda comments sa mga Amerikano. I think I'll pass on myocarditis, heart attack, strokes, and blood clots for now. Like natin yan. Ito LA Green, stick it up, y'all. Taga Texas to. Y'all. Stick it up, y'all. Maureen Priscilla, please spare us. My eyes still hurt from the amount of times I rolled them during 2020. You lied about everything. Kuha ba yung accent? Jackson Lemer, I think I'll pass on the whole die suddenly thing. Denise Myers-Gee, so glad to see so many people have seen through the lies. Too bad we lost so many and others we love are suffering with all kinds of health issues. Tim Goyechi, nope. Nakadalawang fingers pa siya. Hanggang Gunnar Manson. We do not consider. Okay. Wonderful. So many people awake. Makita nyo dito yung comments Ang tanong, ganito din ba sa Pilipinas pag nagpo-post ang DOH? Pag binasa nyo? Matatawa kayo. Gagawa ko susunod na video yung GMA7. Ang dami nating kababayan hanggang ngayon, tulog. Shipol pa rin. Hindi ako natiis. Kinoment ko talaga. Shipol. Okay, so separate video. Abangan nyo. Natatawa kasi ako Alam nyo, natatawa ako sa kabubuhan niya I don't know. I don't have the patience sa mga ganong kabobong tao. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya sa second video ko kung gaano kabobo. Nicole Chandler, if Pfizer can take 75 years to release their... okay, ito pa. Alam nyo ba yon? Yung Pfizer, nakipagsabwatan sa FDA ba yon? No? Para daw i-release nila, maghintay muna na 75 years. So, ibig sabihin talagang patay na yung mga gumawa nito. Wala na, hindi mo na sila mahahabol. Data on safety. Safety to then I'm going to take 75 years to decide if it's right for my body. Yan. If Pfizer can take 75 years to, maganda to I-save ko nga to. Para natin yung gawing meme. If Pfizer can take 75 years to release their data on safety, then I'm going to take 75 years to decide if it's right for my body. Zoe Dalton, love the comments here. Educate before you betchinate. How this lot sleep at night. Evil. Yan. Nicole, they're not trying to fix anything. They're trying to break everything and leave it broken. You might want to start paying closer attention. Tom McCready, loving these comments. People have well and truly woke up. As an organization, your days are numbered. Matt David Lawrence. Because I don't want to is good reason. Grace one. Yeah, alam nyo, di ba? Walang pilitan. Wala sanang kontrahan sa betchin. Kasi minsan, pag naging required, doon nagkakaproblema eh. Parang dati, may mga nagko-comments pa sa post ko, no? About sa maskara. May sir, ako dati pa ako nagmamask kahit dahil may allergies ako, madali akong magkasakit. Hindi, it's your choice. Pero pag sinabi mong required, ibang bagay yon. Nawalan ka ng freedom to choose. No? So, wag mo i-justify yung mga gumagawa nito dahil parehas kayo ng gusto. Paano yung mga ayaw? Di ba? Sabi nga ni Grace One Health, because I don't want to is good reason. Mazda Inabi, taga Middle East, Indian ba to? You guys out here still trying to lie to people. Truth bomb. People don't always say I love you. Sometimes they say please don't take it. Yeah, that's how you say you love this person. Pag pinagsabihan mo talaga na ay nako, mahirap na lang mag-share sa mga mahal ko sa buhay, no? When all you want for Christmas is a heart attack. Ben Hunter. No? Oh, look, it's the Christmas variant. May Christmas variant na daw. May parating ngayong Christmas. Cheryl Rosborough, definitely no. Okay. Mike Angie Was, go buy a tube of IV from Tractor Supply. Tractor Supply, mga pang farm supply yan, mga feeds. And take a pea-size amount daily. It's behind the counter. And the nosy cashiers will ask if you have a horse. I'd advise you to say you have at least one because they're on to us. I trust horse. Okay, sa kabayo pa. Tama, narinig ko na to. Sa kabayo nga to. Yung IV na yan. Kaya, I will look into that. I trust horse medicine over spike proteins any day. Hoaxes tend to circulate among the low IQ forever. Yan. Why don't you go get another booster? Maybe the next one will work. Sabi ni Israel Anderson. Okay? Hoax. Nabaltaan nyo na ba? May kumakalat daw na pneumonia, walking pneumonia, China. Na-mention ko lang. Yaso Dali, give it up already. Nobody's that dumb anymore. Except in the Philippines. Madami pa din. Papatunayan ko yan sa comments ng GMA 7. Sammy Joe, worked at MDS Life Labs. Studied phlebotomy at CD. Okay, nasa nurse, nasa medical profession. None of us regret not taking it. Okay. Why wouldn't you delete this? Brandy Limar, it's so amazing to see these comments and that the people aren't falling for the lies anymore. Sarah Wrangler, wait, we're still playing this game. Come on, get with the program. Taga Texas to. Anna Rosemond, I'm glad people have woken up. Kelly Smith, how come I'm still alive? So deadly. It is so deadly. Yan nga sinasabi ko Nagko-comment ako palagi. Maski dun sa mga ibang Pinoy groups, no? So, paano nyo ipapaliwanag? Ba't buhay pa rin ako? Kung deadly pala yung kinatatakutan nyo. Ha? Hindi ako naggaganito, hindi ako nagganito, and palagi akong bumabiyahe. Not because china-challenge ko, no? Talagang yun ang normal, routine ko. Every year, bumabiyahe kami. 2020, nagpunta yata kaming South Dakota noon. Pagdating namin ng South Dakota, walang nagmamas doon. Maliban sa mga turista. Kasi walang mask mandate ang South Dakota. Ano ibig sabihin walang mask hindi required. Pero yung mga turista na galing sa ibang state like New York, California, nakaganon sila. And may ganon. Sabi ko, pinost ko yan sa grupo namin dito, mga kaibigan ko mga Pilipino. Sabi ko, if that is so deadly, dapat yung mga tao sa South Dakota patay na. Walang nag-react. Baka in-unfollow pa ako. Ano pa? Lindsay Gray, I trust a wet fart while driving on an icy bridge during a heavy fog with no lights more than anything who releases. Mas maniniwala pa daw siya sa ganon. No? Eric Falstrot, never did and I will never will. Lindsay Perron, lalike natin to. The giant elephant in the room died suddenly. Peace Kanumanu, just here for the comments. Okay. Ambry, Daphne, these comments are live. Okay. Madeline Roberts, yesterday I got invited for one by a guy visiting the shop I work, buying his snacks for the day. They were set up in the local community center, waiting for the elderly in the community to turn out for their weekly bingo session. Literally tracking people down for more shots. Best comment section ever. You guys are my people. Okay, like natin yan. Okay. Hanahanap ko yung comment ko dito. Siguro, comment ako 5 days ago. Still getting letters, toilet papers for the apocalypse. Gillian Burns. Brenda Joe Bryant. How about no? Sarah Munden. Is it April 1st? No? April 1st. April Fool's Day ba ngayon? Alicia Beery. Wow, you really trying to push this. Humanity has woken. We know. Kick rocks with your arms, dart, bring back liability and informed consent. So, yeah, challenge natin sila. So, informed consent, tsaka yung liability, waiver, tanggalin nyo yan. Diba? Best comments ever, Miranda Lynn. I had 0 and will stay that way. Karina Johnson. Eric Carvajal, you go first. Tony Lee Jens. Reb Lokenen, now I know what a broken record sounds like. Yeah, paulit-ulit eh. Paulit-ulit. Hindi napansin? Sabihin nila, may bagong may bagong variant, kailangan nyo ng ganito. Tapos pag nagpaganito na kayo, may bago uling variant, ganyan. So, hindi na nga daw curve circle na, paikot-ikot na. Rock Gonzaga, nakita ko si paring Rock. Tibay nyo po, WHO. Shanna McDonald, no thank you. 1 day ago, mga bago pa pala to. Ako kasi 5 days na ako nag-comment dito eh. Charlie Phoenix, I would rather dry hump a cactus than put that in my body. Fear-mongering still. I wish those people who are still blindly getting them could see what they are doing. I have completed my own. Those who didn't take, won't take, and are the ones who are withheld. Yeah, yung mga hindi nag-take dati pa, hindi na talaga magte-take niyan, katulad ko, no? Yung mga nag-take naman dati pa, yung iba na-tegi na. COVID-19, outdated, waiting for 19 Pro Max, then I have a shot. Okay to, taga-Africa to si Pogi, no? Taga-Africa to. Outdated na daw yung bid ko 19, waiting for 19 Pro Max, then I will have a shot. It looks like you're not going down very well with 99%, but thank you for entertaining me for the evening. It's been a pleasure. Ito hinanap natin. Heather Lee Lawrence, my father-in-law was rushed to the ER several times after getting the shot. His heart wasn't pumping. Hindi tumitigil. Okay, hindi nagpa-pump. He wasn't pumping correctly and blood was pooling in his heart. Thanks a lot. Wow. People are getting wise to your lies. Great to read these comments. Nigel Weber, Brandy Salazar. This is hilarious. This comment section is the best roast I've seen in a long time. It really lifted my spirits today. So, alam nyo, a few months ago, gumawa rin ako ng video na doon sa mga katulad kong unvaccinated. No? Sabi ko, huwag kayong panghinaan ng loob kasi, alam nyo, pinagtutulungan nila tayo, sinesegregate tayo, sinisiraan tayo, inaaway. Hindi kayo nag-iisa. Nakita nyo dito sa mga comments na to, no? No, it will lift your spirits na mas marami na pala tayo, no? Marami na pala tayong gising din. Even though yung iba vaccinated, nagising na din. Johnny Darton still flogging that dirt horse. I see. Let it go. Mga Malaysian, no, nagko-comment, oh. Diane Jureb, I truly hope that there is at least one decent human being in who that has a conscience. If you do, how do you sleep at night? Tagalog, Marilyn Lynette Sarmiento. Dati tinatad nyo ng box mga tao, ngayon 1 dose na lang. Anyari? Oo nga, anyari, 1 dose pwede na. Diba? Ba't ngayon? Yan ang paki-explain. Dati tad request nga tayo. Yan. Scott Zimmerman, this should be illegal to even advertise these things anymore. Time to charge all of them with crimes against humanity to stop this murderous activity. Chica Elia, have you finished with those who still have side effects after having the full dose, e.g., that is, loss of taste or smell? Muhammad alias Samaya, moron. Ultimo mga Muslim naiinis na din dito sa na to sa organisasyon na to no? Ibig sabihin talaga, guys, worldwide, no? May nakita tayo taga Myanmar, taga Africa, eto Pilipinas, Amerika, nabubisit na rin talaga nako. Martin Walker, at least 1 dose through the first one didn't work. That's why y'all had to have boosters. Amazing how not had one in perfectly fine. When people say to me like your tinfoil hat, better than wearing a blindfold. Yeah, no? Sabi lang, naka-tinfoil hat kayo kasi mga conspiracy theories kayo. Ikaw, naka-blindfold ka. A product where the manufacturer has no liability and is being pushed by captured government agencies after it was forced for employment and travel worldwide. No thanks. Carrie Bundy. Taga saan to? Hindi nakalagay. Caroline Hardwick. No one. Not a single one of us regrets not taking it. Sol Kim. I'm just here to say hi to all my friends. Carl Stevens. Stick it where the sun don't shine. One day ako, bago pa to. 5 days ako nag-comment. Gary Duncan. The propaganda is failing now. Zach Zettler, I don't think it's wise to trust an organization that uses a serpent in their logo. Yeah, sa medical profession kasi may ahas talaga. Ange Osborne, not once had condid. Strange that. Yeah, strange. Mike Mazur, I was going to say drop but get boosted. Sound much nicer. Okay. Tignan niyo yung meme niyo. Okay, makikita nyo. Walang zoom kasi. Vicky Nixon, this is the best comment section I've seen on here. How the tide has turned. Kita nyo? Winsome Terry, it's a no for me. Naalala ko sino nga yung isa pang doktor dyan? Si Salbanya. Tinurn off niya yung comments. Tinurn off niya yung comments sa sa mga posts niya. Melissa Van Den Heuvel, your gig is up. Seeing as the laughing faces brings me so much joy. Enjoy the karma that's coming your way. Injuries in my circle. Okay. Tingnan natin to. Tandaan na. Turbo cancer, 2. Type 1 diabetes, shingles, fainting or losing balance resulting, 2. Yeah, sabi ko nga, di ba, yung mag-asawang nurse sa California, yung lalaki, halos himatayin, hindi makapag-drive. Hinatid talaga pa uwi. And that is not normal. Hindi as a nurse mag-asawa, alam niyo yun, na hindi normal. Pero, at iba, pag na-brainwash ka appendicitis talaga, appendicitis din daw. So, yan nga, nag-iimbita yung WHO, magpa-backbetchin daw. Ang tanong ni Tony Bartley, so what were the other 5 for? Para saan daw yung mga dat? Nag-reply ako dito Natin eto. Ay! Dinilit to. Nag-delete ako. Dinilit na. Meron ditong pro-betchin May pro-betchin dito. Francine McPhee. No? Kasi sabi nitong Tony Bartley, kailan ba ako nag-comment dito? 2 days ago lang pala. Hindi. 2 days ago. Okay. Alam ko, 3 days ago na to. Yeah, so what are the other 5 for? Ang sabi nung babae dito, yung the comment is replying has been deleted. Francine McPhee. Para daw yung paracetamol na after a few hours, nagwi-wane na. Kaya kailangan mag-take ka uli. Kasi tinatanong nitong Tony Bartley, bakit daw ang dami? Para saan yung naging 5? Para daw yung paracetamol. No? Kinumpare niya talaga. May mga nag-comment You really compared an mRNA experimental drug to paracetamol? Sabi ko, yung paracetamol, hindi naman nagkukos ng myocarditis yan It doesn't cause myocarditis. I don't think so. Yeah, yung pro-vaccinated, nag-delete ng comment. The leading cause of coincidence. Ano nga natin, share natin tong meme na to. The leading cause of coincidence yan. Okay. What's this one for? It limits your carbon footprint. But you are the carbon. What's this one for? Like it really matters? Yeah. Matias Fernandez. Pilipino ba to? No, taga Australia. I'd like to keep my perfect and healthy immune system. Thank you very much. Meron pa pala ako. 2 days ago pala yun, nag-comment. Meron pa akong comment mas maaga pa. Stephanie Lynn Pierce, who you are a joke. Look at how many people have figured you out. Clown show. Taga saan to? Shakti School. Sarah Schmunk. Funny how I've been pregnant 3 times through Bidco, remain unvaxxed, haven't had Bidco, even though it's so contagious and deadly, and I was in and out of hospitals and clinics during my pregnancies. Buti na-admit to sa hospital. Siguro nasa Amerika to. Kasi hindi pwede, alam ko, di ba, sa Pilipinas, hindi ka pwedeng, dito, yan talaga nagagawa ng may Second Amendment. Pwede ka ma-hospital. Sa Pilipinas, i-refuse ka. Where this cold was circulating, I was immunocompromised due to pregnancy. Yeah, pagka buntis ka, mas at risk ka dapat Yet, I still haven't had it. Or didn't even know I had it because I don't test randomly for no reason. Ignorance is bliss and so is the paycheck. Magskin, you can shove your clot shot where the sun don't shine. Jeannie Harskin, if you value your life, don't. Matanda na to. Sabihin niya naman, immunocompromised. Dati alam ko pa sinisisi nila yung mga unvaccinated na katulad ko. You killed your grandma. Tayo daw ang papatay sa mga immunocompromised na mga matatanda. Talaga? Sino ba? Sino ba ngayon ang madalas magkasakit? Anthony S. Walker, the only Who that I will listen to is in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Karen Fiander, yeah, right on. I'll never have another shot as long as I live. So ito, at least meron siyang shot pero nagising na, no? Sarah D. Goldie, oh thank goodness, I thought I'd miss my chance to a free heart attack, stroke, autoimmune disease, turbo cancer. O yun na, libre, lapit. Libre heart attack, libre stroke, libre autoimmune disease, libre turbo cancer, lapit. Yan na, pila na oh. Oy, pati mga Muslim pati alam ko mga taga Malaysia ba to o Indonesia? Tyler Doucette, no one wants your clot shots should be charged for crimes against humanity. None of us regret not taking it. The only thing better than the comment here would be a complete gaslighting where everyone ignores this mess. Walking into my third winter of death and still not vaccinated. Sandy Glander Trash. Third winter na. Yeah. Ko po. Anyway, matagal na tayo, no? So, nakakatawa, basahin nyo. No? It's uplifting kasi ang dami ng gising. Ang dami ng matino ang pag-iisip compared nung una. Na pag ikaw nag-comment ka, magtago ka na, susundan ka nila. No? Hanggang sa wall mo, i-message ka pa, katulad ko. Minessage ako nung kaklase kong nurse sa Canada. No? Akala niya, ito nga. Julianne Mahart Didering, I got 900 people to drink my Kool-Aid. Sabi ni Pau Pau. Child's Play. Alam niyo ba to? Jonestown to. Ito yung nakakakilabot yan Jonestown. Napanood ko yung documentary niyan no? Leader siya ng kulto, pinainom niya ng Kool-Aid yung mga kasapi niya, yung mga membro niya, may lamang lason. Ininom nila. Tapos yung mga ayaw uminom, lalo yung mga bata, pinilit nila, pinwersa uminom. Ano nangyari? Patay sila lahat. Etong taon to, mas marami tong biktima. Tessable, I came here to see the comments. It's quite refreshing to see that some of my friends have already commented. Okay, yeah, ako rin, mga ka-friendster natin, nagko-comment na. Oh my OMG, just stop. When they harm us, just stop. Pia. License, ano to? Taga-Europe yung babaeng yan. Samcor. Koreano to. Kuala Lumpur. Sabi ko nga, taga-Malaysia itong mga to. You are really a good salesman. How much commission did you get? Ito maganda. Peter Duncan. Ito maganda. I have had 5 now. We are lucky to have access to Bechin. 290 replies. No, grabe. Ito, Christy Crackers, my face when someone says, thank goodness I got a booster or would have been worse. Yan, palagi nila sinasabi, guys. No? Yung mag-asawang nurse, yung asawang lalaki, halos himatayin, hindi makapag-drive. Yun nga, minor paralysis yata, ayaw lang nilang sabihin. No? Yung babae naman, ang dalas magkasakit, tapos nung one time na nagkasakit siya, nagpasalamat pa rin siya. Sabi niya, ay, salamat, meron akong Bechin. Kundi, mas malala siguro kung wala. Ba't ako wala? Yan pala, maganda to. Save nga natin to para ma-share, pang-asar, pang-gising na din. Andrew Forwa, why is the advice only for adults who have never received a Bidco vaccine? Is the World Health Organization still trying to pretend that someone who had their last dose 12 plus months ago still had lasting immunity against Bidco? Bechin. Everyone I know that did not take the shot, they never got ill at all. Please, people I do know that took it, some did not make it. And some had developed cancer and got sick with flu. My neighbor went and had his 8th shot. 2 weeks later, he says to stay away. He has Bidco. So I said, why are you taking them still? So, naka-8 shot na, tas nag-Bidco. So, sinabihin niya daw yung neighbor niya, bakit ka pa rin nagtitake yan? Clearly, does not work as you you'll get ill again. It's sad. I feel for the people that been duped. Marami talagang wala na. Minsan pag-usapan namin ng misis ko, siguro yan? Mental illness na. Hindi yan basta naloko eh. Na brainwash na siguro, na mental illness na talaga. Imagine mo, naka-8 na daw siya, tapos nagkasakit pa rin siya ng bidko. No? Hindi pa rin siya titigil. Ito, magandang topic to. Cory Lowe, I met people in California who are trying to detox from this betchin. They wish they never got it. They are wiser now and refuse to do it again. Words from a dad in Southern California and several others I spoke with agreed with him. Ayan, the search for detox is real. Ayan, usap-usapan. Hindi lang pala sa Pilipinas pinag-uusapan ng detox, no? Pati sa US, lalo na sa California. Angie Giles. Maganda to, si ate. Lol, never. I'd prefer to not end up with myocarditis, clots, have a stroke, or end up with turbo cancer. Keep your poison to yourself. It's over. Give it a rest. Ito, kompleto. Okay, ang dami ko na nabasang comments. Magsasawa kayo. Not only is it over, there was never a deadly scamdemic to begin with. The jig is beyond over. Kimber, wala naman talaga. Kasi bakit? 2023 na-isolate ba nila? Yung imaginary virus na yan. Naalala ko sa Pilipinas, no? Talagang pag may bagong variant, talagang hoy, yung Delta variant. Yan, pati si Alex Calleja, yung Omicron pila tayo sa Omicron. Talagang kami nga, hindi na pinapansin hindi na pinapansin dito sa US yan Monkeypox, Nipah, ano yung Nipah? NIPAH, ano yan? Pag hindi nyo kasi pinansin, it will just go away. Pag hindi nyo pinansin, it will go away. No? Pag binigyan nyo sila ng platform, in-encourage nyo sila, you're just encouraging them. No? Ito. Marjika Kocheva. Ito, si Lola. I have been vaccinated 4 times and I'm calm about Bidco. 885s, 326. Nako, magulo to. Masaya tong replies na to. Maganda to. Kasi sabi niya, I have been vaccinated 4 times and I'm calm. Kalmado daw siya about video. Sabi nitong Monix, taga London, United, taga UK Perhaps due to brain fogging resulting to lack of motivation, just one of the many COVAX side effects. Nakakatawa to, no? Kaya pala kalmado siya ba? Mamaya na-apekto na daw yung brain niya. Sabi ni Steve Morris, I hear stupid is the next one. Line up. Martin King, RIP. Marjika Cordial, RIP. Nick Cosmo, Marjika Kocheva, that calmness is just your heart slowing down from the microclocks. Kaya pala kalmado kasi bumabagal na daw yung tibok ng puso niya. That may be true, no? Alam niyo ba yon na ayaw na mag-pump ng puso kasi barado na. Microclots. Nakakatawa to Oy, si YouTube hindi ako nagsulat niyan Ito, I'm just reading the comments on WHO site. Vicky Trinidad. Now the vaccine slows down the heart from microclots. You think you took an experimental shot and you think it's working? I like natin yan. Jay Savory. Maganda to. Marjika Kocheva. I'm not vaccinated, never worn a mask, and I'm calm about COVID. Mick Chapman. Idiot. Yeah, you're an idiot. Andre Traber, Marjika Kocheva, nice. I reckon a paper bag over your head would give you the same effect. Ito maganda. Pamela Dawson siya. Marjika Kocheva, looks to me like your account is a bot account. Funny that the name is a woman. You look like a woman, but yeah, it says his. Oo nga, no. Alam nyo, itong ano, nagpapakalat ng mga bots eh, oh. Sige nga. Sige nga. Ito yung ano, yung nag-comment na maganda para sa WHO. Sige nga. Tapos kumuha. Ay, nako, ay, nako, ay, nako, ay, nako. Thanks to FB. Yan. Margie Cocheba. Alam nyo, ginagawa ng mga bots, kukuha lang sila ng random picture, tapos magagawa lang sila ng, ng profile. So, hindi na daw uso ngayon ng hacking. Ang ginagawa na ngayon mga AI, mga bots, kinokopya nila yung account mo. Okay? So, tapusin natin, mahaba na itong kwento na ito. Kung gusto nyo lumigaya ang buhay nyo at sumaya ngayong araw na to, magbasa kayo ng comments dito sa post ng WHO. Yun lang guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!